Actually, I don't have Thursday and Friday classes, so I woke up late, but tomorrow, which is why I'm creating this vlog, tomorrow I'll be doing some peer-to-peer color grading demo together with my classmates at uni so that, we'll be prepared for doing our last assessment for our sound and image class. So today, just join me in preparing for the slides, for the materials that we will be using tomorrow. And that's why we're doing this vlog. So stick around. Okay, so today I need to prepare for the slides that we'll be using for tomorrow's workshop. I still don't have those, but what I have is I already prepared the video footages, the references, and also the technical lots that we'll be using since we will be working with log profiles of different brands or different camera brands. So I included those also, which is available online for free. Those technical lots are for free usually. So, and actually, I thought about this workshop, this peer-to-peer review, together with my classmate because, part of our assessment task 3 for one of our courses requires us to color grade a lot of versions of 3 clips. And I think it will be helpful for them to provide something that I'm already doing for quite some time now. And the purpose of our workshop tomorrow would be just giving something for them to set foot or for them to start something. It's been a while since I've done this kind of workshops, and I'm excited and quite nervous because I'll be doing it purely in English because there's a lot of international classmates as well. So so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 participants, which is our room for tomorrow. Shout out to my instructor for this course, which is Pinar, Dr. Pinar. So we have a max of 25 people that can be accommodated tomorrow in our place. So later at around 3 p.m. I think I'll go to RMIT to download those resources so I can email it to them and have some practice clips that they can use tomorrow together. So I'm also looking forward to our live Q&A tomorrow since it will not just be me who's doing the demo, but also us exploring things, how we can solve some clips that they want to color grade and how we can approach things. I'll jump right now into my preparation. That's a lot of talk, and while doing that, I'll eat my breakfast. Okay, so I'm here now in our designated room and we will be doing our workshop today. I'm preparing the slides, and after that slide, we will do the color grading demo already. And yep, everything will be recorded for the sake and reference of my classmates who cannot attend this peer-to-peer demo. Okay, there you go. So, yep, it's a very productive day. We're done with our peer-to-peer demo of color grading together with my uni colleagues. After that, we just went to the library and did some uni works, uni tasks. I'm happy to share some things about color grading to our friends at RMIT. And right now, I'm just really happy that I was able to share things that I'm doing for quite some time now and impart it to them or share it to them. And yep, that's it for today. That's it for our vlog today. And I'm hoping that I asked them to send some messages for me. So how was the peer-to-peer review, and hopefully I can put some of it here. So that's all for today's vlog, and thank you for watching this video. Once again, this is Geronimo. See you in our next one.